great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself.
Hi lovelies, welcome to today's What I Eat in a Day. Today is a really busy work day, so the recipes today are really quick. Of course, they're so nutritious and they're so yummy. I love food. And it's a really cold day here in Cyprus. It may be March, but we've had insane winds, hailstones, rain. It is really gloomy out there today. So today's recipes are quite feel-good, yummy meals.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Lately for speedy breakfast, we have been loving avocado on rice cracker. I don't buy bread, but I always have rice crackers in the house. I love breakfasts that are quick on workday mornings. Avocados are in season and are really cheap right now. This breakfast is yummy, nutritious, full of protein, and ready in just a couple of minutes. My rice crackers are really healthy. They're just pot brown rice and 7 different seeds. They're totally clean. I love to start my day with healthy fats from avocados. They're really nutrient dense, including folate, protein, B vitamins, K, C, E, and lots of minerals. They are amazing. We eat them most days when they're in season. I mash up my avocado, which makes it lovely and sticky, so I can add my toppings. Add any toppings you like. I always add a rich protein source. Today it's black beans. I always have chickpeas or some type of bean, boiled and ready use in the fridge. I'm keeping breakfast super simple and really quick today. I'm only adding some pink salt, ground black pepper, and some chili flakes. I love the flavour of chili flakes on avocado, and chili is really nutrient dense, and it's great to have on a morning because it's a metabolism booster. We're sprinkling a range of seeds, sesame, flax, and hemp. They're rich in protein, heart-healthy omega fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Get your seeds in where you can. We're coriander lovers, so I'm sprinkling just a little for taste and for nutrition too. There are so many topping combos, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, all kinds you can add to these. It'd be super yummy, but on a speedy day, we love this combo. I hope you try it and let me know what you think about it. What are your really easy or really speedy vegan breakfasts? Let me know in the comments below. In winter and on a morning, I love a hot coffee while I'm working. I quit sugar years ago by adding half a spoon of raw cacao. This and coconut milk give a hot chocolatey vibe to my coffee, which is comforting on a cold day, and how I love to drink my coffee all winter long. We're having a really yummy, comforting and nutritious pesto pasta salad for lunch with baby spinach leaves and cherry tomatoes, courgette, bell peppers. It's going to be really quick to make and really filling and comforting on this really cold day. This salad is 2 huge portions or 4 regular portions. It's yummy, full of rainbow veggies, protein, and you can make it ahead of time. I love protein pastas in my lunchtime salads. So we've got a chickpea fusilli or a green pea pen. I think we're going to go with a green pea because it's a green pesto salad, and I might use chickpea or red lentil later in a spaghetti dish we're making tonight. To my boiling water, I'm adding 5 cloves of garlic. I'll crush this into my salad for flavour and nutrition later. Boiling garlic gives the garlic a nice, mild, yummy garlic flavour with no bitterness. We love the flavour of chickpea, green pea and lentil pastas. We find they're really tasty. They cook quicker than normal pasta and on a slightly lower temperature, so you must keep an eye to make sure you get al dente pasta. Use whole wheat pasta if you prefer, but I like to add protein in wherever I can. My salads always follow a theme. Today's theme is the veg being cut into ribbons and long thin slices. I love the flavour of peppers in salads. Today we've got half an orange bell pepper, half a local red pointed pepper, half a mild green sweet pointed pepper. Peppers are loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and are incredibly high in vitamin C. I'm using 75 to 100 grams of local baby spinach leaves cut into ribbons. Use a different leafy green if you prefer. But we should all be eating leafy greens every day. They are so nutrient dense. I love spinach for bone health, and it's meant to be good for people with diabetes. It's got folic acid and some protein. It's great. I'm using 20 to 25 baby plum tomatoes for a gorgeous flavour. I'm cutting them long ways into halves or quarters. I love tomatoes for heart health, skin health, and they're linked to cancer prevention. I'm using my hand-operated spiralizer to make courgette. Courgettes are loaded with folic acid, vitamin A, some protein. This salad would be great for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Throw any veggies you like in this salad. These are our favourites. Then for the dressing, I'm using 5 cooked garlic cloves crushed. Garlic's great for the immune system. I'm using a full jar of green vegan pesto. And then to make this more saucy, you can mix with any of the following. I often mix with mashed avocado, but I'm fresh out of those ripe avocados today. Or I mix with olive oil or vegan mayo. Add pink salt and pepper to taste. This salad is really yummy and flavoursome, but it's not spicy. And if you fancy a little spice, just throw in a few chilli flakes. For a different flavour and texture, I'm adding small cubes of vegan feta cheese. Pine nuts would be incredible in this salad. I hope you try this super quick and yummy salad, and you come back and let me know in the comments sometime. Subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of my weekly tasty plant-based vegan meal videos. Dinner is such a quick, super simple, yummy, high protein recipe. Garlic mushroom spaghetti has always been a favourite in our household. Tonight we're using red lentil spaghetti, which is really high in protein, but this is lovely with a tagliatelle or whole wheat spaghetti if you're not gluten-free. The chickpea spaghetti, all the mushrooms and the garlic make this a really high protein dish. I'm soaking 20 small shiitake mushrooms to rehydrate them. They take around 15 minutes to soak up the water. Use your favourite mushrooms. I highly recommend buying and storing dried shiitake. They are cheap, nutritious, high in protein, and they are full of flavour. They're good for your immune system, they help lower cholesterol, and they contain anti-cancer compounds. And I love the reliability of having mushrooms ready to use in the cupboard for their flavour and their protein content. I'm using the cloves of 1.5 bulbs of garlic. Garlic is great for our immune system. It's packed with nutrition. I love garlic in this recipe, very finely sliced, so you can taste it. I'm quartering my shiitake, and for once, I'm not squeezing the water out because the shiitake water is incredibly flavoursome and will add to the sauce. I'm ripping 100 grams of oyster mushrooms into strips. These have the most beautiful flavour, and they're huge today. These are the mushrooms I had in my fridge today. I often add king oyster mushrooms, sliced into strips, portobellini, portobello. A variety of mushrooms is just gorgeous. I thinly slice half an onion, and that's the speedy prep done. This really is an effortless dish. My pan of water is boiling. This red lentil spaghetti cooks al dente in around 5 minutes. I'm using local olive oil. Use vegetable broth if you're oil free. I add my thinly sliced garlic to my super hot pan, and it sizzles so satisfyingly and smells incredible. Mix that in, making sure all the pieces of garlic are fully separated. A minute later, I add my onion. Stir that in lovely. After another minute, I add my pre-sliced white button mushrooms. Now I like my mushrooms with body, not soggy, so in 5 minutes max, this dish is ready. A little pink salt. After another minute, I'll add my juicy shiitake, and this will begin to make the sauce. Stir those in, add the beautiful ripped oyster mushrooms and stir them in. This will be finished cooking in 2, max 3 minutes. I practically never use this, but to make a really yummy sauce, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegan spread. You could add more olive oil in true Mediterranean style, or a cup of vegetable or mushroom stock. Stir in and serve. So quick, so much protein and so yummy, perfect for any weeknight. We always have chili, vegan parmesan, salt and black pepper. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please make sure you've hit the like button, and if you're new, subscribed. Next week's video will be a meal prep video with healthy baking that's oil and gluten free, courgette fritters, oh there's so much in the next meal prep video. Until then, if you're new to my channel, you can find lots of what I eat in a day videos, meal prep videos, what's for dinner videos, all full of yummy, nutritious, plant-based recipes. Hope you have a lovely week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!